आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
Ladies and gentlemen, with me is Sana Shehzadi, Director Revival Education System. We'd love to know from him what her organization is representing and in which fields they are working. Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum Assalam. First of all, thank you for letting me speak some words about the event which was organized today and about the education, both the things. In fact, the education is all about to bring a revolution, to bring a change. It is not about the mere of piece of papers or the degrees or any kind of competition between the public or private schools. As far as I've been attached with this field for last 17 years. Whatsoever I have learned and I have tried to contribute, that is about revival. When I just put the foundation of my own system, it was to bring a new life to the meaning of the education, to bring new life to the minds and souls of the students and to the societies as well. So this is what the thing is about, that you are going to bring some kind of positive change among the people, among all generations. It's not about only the students. We are supposed to address the parents. We are supposed to train and educate the teachers. Because
That's very good point raised by you that parents and teachers need to be
They
trained
need to be educated, yes. They need to be educated because if
to come out of that race.
we are going to create two kind of environments or atmospheres at the workplace or at schools or at homes, then the students are not going to learn. They are going to be confused, and double kind of the personalities are to be going to grow in the society. So we have to be aligned for such kind of progressive, groomed society, which is going to have its roots with the country, with the religion, and this generation will be able to cope with the new challenges of the modern life as well.
Miss Sana, thank you so much. The most beautiful thing about this ceremony today was public and private sector on same page. Everyone appreciated, and the credit totally goes to Shumaila Naz. How do you felt about it?
मैं और Shumaila Naz, this journey was started in 1998, and we both are an example of a merger of public and private sector, because this is the place, this is the institute that from where we started, and we passed our matriculation in 2000.
This institute, wow.
Yes, we did matriculation from this institute, and after that we worked together for I think so almost 24 years, and we were going to have different kind of ambitions, different kind of the dreams. In fact, the dreams are going to take birth along with your birth. It is you who are going to nurture them by your hard work, by industriousness. People used to say that dreams are difficult to achieve. Yes, they are difficult to achieve, but they are not impossible. So when we were in our matric, we knew what we want from our lives. We knew that we want to be an educator.
Even in 1998?
Yes.
Wow.
In,
Without any motivational speaker, without any YouTube.
kind of anything. We knew this thing that we are going to go towards such kind of the collaborations. She and I used to have certain kind of very positive and very innovative discussions about it. And the result is just before you, that being an individual, she has...
Okay, I would love to ask, which I asked to Mr. Mia Imran Masood, that Zimedara College has produced so many leaders. This school, you are a current example. All the government schools have produced so many leaders. तो मिस इनको क्यों नहीं उस तरह उठाया गया? गवर्नमेंट का फॉल्ट है या उन टीचर्स का फॉल्ट है कि उन्होंने आवाज़ ही नहीं उठाई कि अपना हमारे स्कूलों को बेहतर करो यार?
I think so that no one can be blamed for this thing individually.
But why these sectors are like this?
By and large...
Why do we need private sector?
I do let you know that by and large, as far as I have analyzed it, it's all about that we are going to be materialistic, and one is going to think about one specific motive, one specific self. The government is not going to take so kind of grave interest in this thing, and simultaneously the people are also responsible, because when they are going to pass through certain kind of difficulty, they are facing it, but they are not going to think about it. The people coming behind, they're also going to pass the same difficulty, same problem. So we should address this thing. The government should take notice of those voices, those protests, those positive kind of criticism, and simultaneously the people should also raise their voices for their rights. These are the things, because till the time you are speaking, you are being heard. If you are silent, you are dead. No more person is going to come you and make you alive and to give you your right wherever you are sitting.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sana. Beautiful speech by her. She was saying public and private sectors is not the first time are on same page. She collaboratively worked with Ms. Shumaila Naz to bring this happen.
I would like to add, and sorry to cut you, the most important thing when I had a call from Shumaila, and she told me that, first of all, a brilliant achievement by her on her part, that she was selected and she visited USA. And then you were asking me that who is responsible. How many people went there and how many people are going to contribute right now? When she came back, she took the edge. She became...
Nobody comes back, actually.
She became a flag bearer. And how many people were there getting training from her, and all the people who are involved in it? They are being introduced to such kind of things and abilities because of her. So certain kind of things, when you are going to be a positive contribution in the society, if she is not able to call me, or to bring all these private teachers on the same platform for this purpose, then who else could? So it is the responsibility of the people who are having certain kind of resources. They are at responsible seats. It's not about the releasing of fund only. It's about the effort.
Taking that responsibility.
It's about taking responsibility as she has taken. I don't say that she's the only one. A lot of people would be there, but being...
Mostly people that do not come in front, they are the back end warriors.
Representative of our outskirt in Gujarat, I think so that she has done a remarkable job, and my 5 teachers were there, and each day they were sharing their achievements and their learning with me, and I was so over proud.
Are you willing to send your teachers in future campaigns as well?
I will make them be attached with her, because she is going to contribute great in them. So it will be a joint venture, inshallah. At individual basis as well, and being a merger of private and public, it's...
Some words for Pak News. Are you surprised, anchor interviewing in English?
Yes.
In Gujarat.
First of all, I am very happy that you are not only speaking the English, you are speaking the correct English. It's not about...
Thank you so much.
It's about just the confidence. It's not a language. When your thought process is different and your speaking process is different, then you are going to imitate something. But when you are into the language, it means that your thought process is being translated and the words are just coming like the...
So we are hopefully invited in every event.
You are too good. It is not a buttering. It is not a buttering, as I have listened from Shumaila as well. You people have done a brilliant job, and lots of best wishes for you, and well done to Shumaila. She's not there. She's not listening.
Ms. Shumaila, wherever you are, we welcome. We appreciate your efforts. This is it from Pak News. Keep watching. Thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।